So today is Tater on ice. Blizzard Watch 2022. Got the supervisor. We're ready to rock and roll. Let's keep these ponds clear. All right, so round one at Deer and Oaks Park. Ice is all set. Trick of it is to not let enough snow get up on the ice to bury the ice underwater. So we'll probably hit it about 5 times. Looking good right now. See if we keep up with it. So what are you doing today?
Plow.
Plow what?
Snow.
From where?
Fire barns.
How many?
I don't know.
How many lots do you guys have?
49.
49 lots. How many people you got doing it?
4.
4. Wish you were on the farm?
Yeah.
Round 2 of Tater on ice here. I feel like I should guest star on Ice Truckers. So we're back at Deer and Oaks. Starting to build up a little bit. A few flurries going on. And do round 2. It takes about 2 hours. We're getting there. We're not giving up on this ice. We're not giving it back. It'll be here waiting for you when the storm's over. We're still at it. One more trip around the sun. Supervisor said call it a night, so we're gonna call it a night. We'll be in 5, 6 in the morning, finish the job. To me, this looks like a new snow hill. Let's try it out. What could possibly go wrong here? Well, looks like we lost Deer and Oaks. Snow drift is, well, at least a foot. Let's see what we can do with that. So the good news is, Deer and Oaks looks pretty good. Depending on the wind tomorrow, the plan is to come out and resurface it. The bad news is my only exit has gotten a little questionable. So hopefully we get out of here so we can go do the other ponds. All right, we're gonna see if we can get out of here. I don't know. It's a little sketchy. Oh boy, here we go. Oh my God, I think we made it. Here at Payson Park, the snow hill is in great shape. Everybody's enjoying it. We've got probably a good 50 people there. The ice rink is in great shape. Here at Payson Park, Ludlow ice rink's in great shape. Deer and Oaks is in great shape. So everything's all ready for you guys. Beautiful day outside. Come on out and enjoy yourself.